Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I'm here to introduce Neptune Network. But this time, I've already told you that we are embarking on a journey to bring them into justice. Yeah, so for the past weeks, we have been doing our research and things. Yeah, so I've already uploaded the planning video and what we'll be needing for the investigation and everything. And people have been also supporting us, introducing us to people and stuff. So the first investigation we were embarking was to make sure that if they were under MSB license. So when we did our research and everything, we saw them posting their license on Twitter and everything. So we went to their platform and do some small research, and we found out that everyone can have license on MSB. It doesn't guarantee that the person is legit or legal corporate or firm. So they say that everyone can get MSB license. If you have the MSB license, it doesn't mean that you are legit or you are like working, like let me say you are legally working. Is that thing? Yeah, so that's it. Yeah. So we also find out their real Bitcoin address that we will use it to track them, and I want to find it on their Twitter page. And we also find their real number behind the administrator on Twitter, their real number, yeah, and the real number was a Chinese code. It was a Chinese code. Yeah, their number was a Chinese code. So we did the tricks and everything, and we saw that the number wasn't active right now, but we are trying to do the trades with the Bitcoin, and so far we have found something, but we are in the process. So we'll be doing everything in the process for you all to involve yourself so that you all will see what it is. So for us to know that they are really legit or really legal working fintech company, we also did a search on the FinCEN. That one is a financial criminal listing. Yeah. So we saw their FinCEN legal license too, and that one we did a follow back, and we found out that the license was fake. The license wasn't legit. The license was fake. So it means that they plan everything before they introduce the Neptune Network to their investors. Yeah. So right now, since we have seen that their FinCEN is not legit, that means it's a scam, then we can continue with our investigation. Yeah. And people were saying that we have to involve FBI in it and stuff. Yeah, we know what we are doing. That's why we are doing everything gradual or process for you to all enjoy some. Yeah. So right now we have know that, or we are aware that they are facing legal license is not real. Yeah, and right now we have their main number, and we have their main BTC address, and that's what we will put it in use for our next investigation. So far, this is what we have gathered so far, and we are planning on a lot to get them rear-handed. And you see, Christmas is approaching, and I know they are planning on different platform. Yeah, because Neptune Network was introduced to us around November last year. So I'm sure that they are planning on a new fintech point scam. And I know a lot of people will also fall inside again. Yeah, that one day. It's true. I know some people will also fall inside again. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that if you fall inside, use your head so that you will not end up losing money again. Yeah, so we, and one thing is, we use their location on the MSB, and the location was London. So that means, and that's not the real location. So at first, now we thought it was they were in Pakistan, because they were bearing some those kind of Muslim names and Arabic names, but according to their BTC location and everything, it shows that they are in China. Yeah, they are in China. Everything shows that they are in China. Their BTC location shows that they are in China. Their phone number +88 something shows that they are also in China. So right now, the actual people behind Neptune Network are from China. They are from China. Yeah, at first we thought they were from Pakistan. So when we embarked on the investigating journey, we got to know that they are from China, and they are operating in Hong Kong. Yeah. So our next video, I will introduce my partners to you, and everything they have gathered, we will put it on the table for we all to know. And that's what I'm saying. If you also have any idea, you can link us up. We will add you to the team. We will all work together. Because right now we have 16. At first we were having 11. Right now we have 16. And they are all working hard for us to bring them into justice. Yeah. And these 16 people are doing amazing job. Doing fantastic job. Yeah. Because they are all victims, and they have all lose their money in Neptune Network. So we have to do our best to bring them into justice, and that's what we are doing. Yeah. So this the updates for today, and right now we actually know that they are from China, not Pakistan. The reason why we said the Pakistan was the name they were bearing on the Telegram channel and everything, but we have know that they intentionally change their identity for us to know that they are from Pakistan, not knowing they are from China. So right now, according to their phone numbers and their BTC address, location, and everything, shows that they are in Hong Kong, and that's where we'll be doing our next search too. Yeah, so we're bringing you updates for you all. to also enjoy how we are planning to catch them red-handed, for them to know that if they want to hide, they can't hide forever. Yeah, so this the update for our investigation, and thank you for watching me. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Tech. I'm out.